everyone, and welcome back to the René of Paris channel. In today's video, I wanted to talk to you about wig grips. Now, wig grips are something that I feel like are very spoken about in this community as something that is really helpful to wear with your wigs, and so I wanted to talk about them as an option. Are they necessary? How to put them on? How to use them? And all of those big questions. They're actually very similar with one major difference. Here is the standard wig grip. It looks like this, and you wrap it around your head underneath the wig, and you have this Velcro strip on the back, which is very adjustable, so you can fit it to your head size. And the difference with this one is that this one actually has a small piece of lace on it, which I'll explain why you would want to use that in just a moment. Otherwise, they're actually very similar. The first question I want to address is a wig grip necessary? And in my personal experience, I don't often wear them. I usually just wear the wigs directly on my head without a wig cap or anything. I have alopecia myself, so I'm totally bald under my wigs, and I find the wigs very comfortable and secure with no wig cap and no wig grip at all. However, wig grips might be a nice thing to use if you're someone that's just very, very afraid of your wig falling off. If you are new to wigs and you're just not sure how to secure them properly, this might just give you that added peace of mind. But I do want to emphasize the fact that if a wig fits you properly and fits your head size, it really shouldn't be necessary with a properly fitting wig cap. This wig that I'm wearing today is Braylon in the color Spring Honey Tea from the Amore Collection. Now, the Amore Collection is particularly designed for people with hair loss, so it has some added features that make it extra secure for people who are wearing it on their bald heads. Now, that's not just true about the Amore Collection. All of the collections that we have here at René of Paris are designed so that they will be comfortable and secure on your head without having to necessarily wear anything underneath them if you don't want to. Sometimes a wig cap can be helpful to hold your hair back if you do have hair, but if you're someone like me who has no hair at all, I find these wigs very easy to wear with nothing underneath. No adhesive, no wig cap or anything. As you can see on the back of this wig cap, we have these adjustable straps here, and if you find that your wig isn't fitting you securely, you definitely want to make sure that these are adjusted to your head size. That's the first thing you're going to want to check. Once I have those adjusted to my proper head size, I feel very secure with this wig. I would move my head around a lot, test it out, wear it in the wind, and I would have no concern with this falling off. I actually filmed a video here for the René of Paris channel recently, kind of putting the wigs to the test in different weather conditions and in different scenarios, just to see how secure these wigs are on my head. So if you want to check out that video, you can check out wearing it in the wind, wearing it in a convertible car, and other fun things like that. And spoiler alert, the wig did stay on in all of those conditions, so putting the wigs to the test really did do the trick. Now, pretty much all of the wig caps from all of our different lines will have those adjustable straps, not just the ones from the Amore Collection. But the Amore Collection has some additional features that make it even more secure. Like, for example, some of the Amore Collection wigs will have a silicone strip on the wig cap. You can see that faintly here, and that just gives the wig a little bit of extra grip on your head if you are wearing it directly on your shaved head. This here is also the wig cap for one of the Amore wigs called Cody, and this wig cap is pretty standard in the Amore Collection with the double monofilament cap here. And here's an example of that silicone strip again, just a slightly wider strip of it here on this wig cap. And this is a very common wig cap design in the Amore Collection. That being said, these features are really great for people who have a shaved head, but I still also wear all the wigs from the other lines as well and feel that they're equally secure, even without those features like the silicone strip, but they are helpful for having that really good lasting power. Now, if you still choose to wear a wig grip, these might just give you that extra peace of mind to make sure the wig is just absolutely not going to go anywhere. Sometimes I actually do like to wear wig grips with lace front wigs in particular, because I find personally on a shaved head, if I'm wearing a lace front wig, there's just a slight more chance that it's going to slide back on me a little bit in my experience. So having that wig grip with a lace front wig in particular, I find very helpful. That's just how I use it in my personal experience. So to demonstrate in this video, I'm going to use the wig grip that we have with this piece of lace here. Now, if you're not wearing a wig with a lace front, I would just use the standard wig grip because the lace here can be a tiny bit delicate. It's not super delicate or anything, but you want to be a little more careful not to rip it, whereas with the one without the lace piece, you don't have to worry about that. So I probably wouldn't bother with this lace piece unless you're wearing it with a lace front wig, but if you are wearing a lace front wig, I would say this is a very important feature to have. To put it on, all you have to do is place it on your head, try to line up that lace front piece with where you think that you're going to have your part on the wig. Whether you're wearing a lace front lace part wig or if you're wearing a monofilament wig, this would be helpful to have. And then because of that wide piece of Velcro here, you have a lot of adjustability to make it the right size for your head. So just place that Velcro down. The reason this lace piece is very essential is because when you're wearing a lace part or a monofilament cap, the intention of that is to kind of have the effect of your scalp peeking through. So if you're wearing the regular wig grip without that lace piece, the wig grip might actually show through where that lace is. Whereas with the lace piece here, you can line that up with the part and have it just look completely seamless. So I'm gonna go ahead and put Braylon back on. Braylon has a lace front with a double monofilament wig cap. And you just want to make sure the edges of the wig cap for the wig are lined up with the wig grip. So because I'm gonna have the part more to the side, I'm just going to shift it slightly so it's on the side. And then you want to make sure the front of the wig cap goes just slightly past the end of the wig grip so that it's not showing when you pull the hair back. So if you have the wig lined up properly with the wig grip, you should still be able to use that lace front feature on your wig and push the hair back and have that natural looking hairline. And you don't want to see any of the wig grip there. So if you do still see the wig grip underneath that lace, you just want to pull the wig grip back or the wig forward depending on where you want your hairline to be. And then as you can see, we have the lace front with this monofilament cap here, and you don't see that wig grip because we have that lace front, that little lace piece of the wig grip lined up with where I have the part on the wig. So if you want to have your part on this side, you would just want to have the lace part moved onto that side instead. And with this wig grip, the wig is just really nicely kind of gripping onto that fabric material because it kind of creates more of a friction, so the wig really has something to cling onto, so you don't have to worry about slippage. Now again, normally in my day-to-day wig wearing, I don't bother wearing a wig grip because if the wig cap is adjusted properly, I feel like the wig is secure in my head, but this is a great option for you if you just want that added sense of security. So comment below, do you use a wig grip? Do you put your wig directly on your head, or what is your preferred method of keeping your wig secure on your head? Definitely let us know. If you do pick up one of our wig grips, definitely post about it on social media and tag us so we can see how you use your wig grip. And don't forget to follow us on Instagram and YouTube to stay up to date with all of our latest wig releases and tutorials. Thanks so much for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one.